We are going to create an action. But what the heck is an action? Well, an action is something that we do over and over again, such as resizing a photograph to the same size. So I resize photographs all the time to 2048 for my Facebook account. So I have to set up 3 different actions, one for horizontals, one for verticals, and one for square images. This is a horizontal image, so the horizontal is the long side. So to do this, we need to go to our actions panel, and it's this little arrow right here. If you don't have that available, you can always go up to Window and come down to Actions. Remember, everything in the window is in alphabetical order. So I click on that, there it is again. So in this little dialog box, to create an action, I come down here, that little icon next to the trash can, Create New Action. Once I click that, every single thing I do is going to be recorded. So let's get going. Click. I'm going to call this 2048 horizontal. Give it a very descriptive name because you might end up with lots of different actions. Once I hit the record button, we're off and running. Next up, remember every single thing I do is being recorded. I move up to image, image size. The width is the longest side, the biggest number. So we're just going to highlight that and we're going to type in 2048. But I said also to change the resolution to 72. So watch what happens when I do this. 72. It just changed my height and width again. Don't worry, just go back up here and change this back to 2048. And if you don't want that to happen, start by changing your resolution first and then change your width. We're going to leave resample on with the little checkbox here, and I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to come back over to the Actions panel, and I'm going to click this very first button, Stop Playing or Recording. And now I have an action for the horizontal. So let's go back in history, open the image. Now we're back at its full size. I click here on this 2048 horizontal, and I click the little play button, which this time is the arrow. And it just resized my image. Let's go check. Done!